Friends, today we are going to discuss a topic, and as you can see, the name of the topic is polynomial. So first of all, you need to know the word polynomial is comprised of two words. Okay, first word is the if we divide this polynomial, so first word is the poly stands for the many, and the second word is the nomial stands for the terms. So collectively we can consider the polynomial as the collection of many terms. Okay, students, now we are going to move towards definition of the polynomial. So polynomial is an algebraic expression in which power of the variable is a non-negative integer. Okay, mind that power is always a non-negative integer. So for your convenience, I had put the examples there. So first example is the 2x square plus 4x plus 6, and another one is the 5x cube plus 6. So you can see in this example that the power, in the first case the power is positive, you can say, and it is not in the fraction. In the second case also you can see the power is an integer, and that is a non-negative integer. So we can consider these two as the polynomials. Definition of the polynomial, we had considered a term algebraic expression. So first of all we need to know what does it term mean. तो इसका मतलब होता है कि दैट इट इज़ द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ द नंबर्स, वेरिएबल्स एंड सिम्बल्स. ठीक है, फॉर योर कन्वीनियंस आई हैड गिवन एन एग्जाम्पल हियर, एंड द एग्जाम्पल इज हियर 2x स्क्वायर प्लस 2x प्लस 7, एंड अनदर एग्जाम्पल आई हैड गिवन टू यू 3x प्लस 5. What is the difference between an algebraic expression and a polynomial? क्योंकि देखने में तो दोनों एक जैसे ही लग रहे हैं, आप तो आपको पता होना चाहिए that an algebraic expression, in an algebraic expression there is no condition on the power of the variable, but in a polynomial there is a condition on the power of the variable. पावर जिसको हम एक्सपोनेंट भी बोलते हैं, ठीक है, वहाँ पे क्या कंडीशन होती है कि पावर जो होती है आपके पास पॉलिनोमियल में, इट शुड बी अ नॉन नेगेटिव इंटीजर. बट इन केस ऑफ द एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन द पावर, देयर इज नो कंडीशन द पावर. पावर नेगेटिव भी हो सकती है, पावर पॉजिटिव भी हो सकती है, पावर फ्रैक्शन में भी हो सकती है. तो ये दोनों के बीच में एक डिफरेंस है. अगर आप लोग देखें यहाँ पे, आई हैड कोडेड सम एग्जांपल फॉर यू. तो फर्स्ट एग्जांपल आई हैड टेकन दैट इज 4x स्क्वायर प्लस 5. ठीक है, second example I had taken 2x power 1 by 2 plus 4x plus 2, and in the third example I had taken it as 3x cube plus 4x plus 7. So out of these three examples only two are considered as a polynomial, but the example given in the middle, and that is 2x power 1 by 2 plus 4x plus 2, is not a polynomial. It is just an algebraic expression, because in this the power is a fraction, so it doesn't satisfy the condition to be an polynomial. We can move towards the definitions, or you can see some of the related terms to the polynomial. See, I have taken an example of the polynomial. As you can see, it is a polynomial because power is a positive integer. So now we are, by taking this example, we are going to define some terms. So first of all, I had written here the terms. So it is related to the polynomial. And as you all know now that there are three terms like whatever I had written here: 5x power 7, 4x square, and 6. Okay, so terms, how we can find the terms, how many terms are there? So terms are separated by the plus or the minus signs. Regarding the coefficients, so coefficients are nothing but just the number attached with the variable. Okay, like we had considered the example above, and that was 5x power 7 plus 4x square plus 6. So in this case, the coefficient of the x power 7 is 5, coefficient of x square is 4, and the last one is the constant term. So the we can say the constant term having degree as 0 is of degree. So degree is the highest, or you can say the maximum power of the variable. जैसे आपको एग्जाम्पल दे के रखा हुआ है, here we have x स्क्वायर माइनस 4x प्लस 3. तो आप लोग देख सकते हो x की पावर 2 है, और जो आपके पास आगे माइनस 4x लिखा है वहाँ पे x की पावर 1 है, और आगे आपको पता है कांस्टेंट टर्म लिखी है, उसकी पावर हमेशा 0 होती है. तो आप बोल सकते हो यहाँ पे कि अगर आपको पूछा जाए कि व्हाट इज द डिग्री हियर, तो डिग्री इज 2. मैक्सिमम पावर ऑफ द वेरिएबल इज कॉल्ड एज द डिग्री. We will discuss the types of the polynomials. So we can classify the polynomials on the basis of the degree and on the basis of the terms. We are doing the classification on the basis of the degree. So on the basis of the degree, we can majorly classify it into the 4 categories. First one is the linear, second is the quadratic, third is the cubic, and fourth one is the biquadratic. Okay, so first is the linear polynomial. So linear, how we can identify? In the linear polynomial, the degree, or you can say the power of the variable is 1. In the quadratic, the maximum power is 2. In the cubic, maximum power is 3. And in the biquadratic, the maximum multiplication is on the basis of the number of terms. So, on the basis of the terms, majorly we can classify it into the three categories. One is the monomial, second is the binomial, third is the trinomial. So, as you know, monomial, mono stands for the one term, okay? Binomial stands for the two term, and trinomial stands for the three terms. तो आप लोग देख सकते हो, here in the monomial I had taken only one term, and that is 2x. In the binomial I had taken two terms, those are 2x plus 2, and in the trinomial I had taken three terms, and those are 3x square plus 4x plus 7. If you like the video, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel.